Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today, we're going to be doing a video about NIO. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today, we're going to be doing a video about why NIO is actually trading higher today. NIO currently up 6%, currently trading at $61.80. If you guys don't know what NIO actually does, NIO is an EV company based out of China. They produce luxury EV cars. NIO has definitely gained a lot of heat over the last year. Looking at the one-year chart, up over 1,000%. And it's definitely not unwarranted. Although the sales for NIO are not there, we do see basically the consistent increase in sales for NIO stock as a company. And NIO has been doing very, very well. And it's been getting a lot of hype recently. But it's not just that. You know, the reason why NIO stock is actually trading higher today is because NIO actually just picked up another buy rating. All right, so an analyst from Nomura named Martin Huang launched a coverage basically with a buy rating of $80.30. That's a pretty high analyst upgrade right there, and that's pretty good. The current highest analyst upgrade that sits for NIO right now is currently sitting at $100. There is one specific analyst who does think that NIO stock is going to go to $100, and it's definitely not unwarranted. We have definitely seen that NIO as a company in itself has been growing a lot. It's seen a lot of success, and it's definitely seen a lot of trajectory of growth. And I don't think the growth is actually going to stop in the year of 2021. And it leads a lot of people to ask, is NIO stock worth a buy at $61.89? Is NIO stock too expensive? And I can understand where people are coming from. If you were taking a look at NIO stock a year ago, the stock was currently sitting at $3-4. Then when looking at it that way, the stock was definitely worth more of an investment back then. But I'm still super bullish on NIO, and so are these all-time analysts. Like I said, these analysts who are giving NIO such, huge analyst upgrades all the time, it's not without due cause, and it's definitely without reason. These guys, they do this for a living, and there's a reason why these guys are so bullish on NIO, and it's just due to one simple fact that the EV market in itself is a very explosive market. It's been growing very, very quickly, but it's not just the EV market in general, but specifically the EV market in China is expected to grow a lot over the next couple of years, which is probably why NIO stock is growing very, very fast. Now, the average analyst price target for NIO out of all the analyst upgrades is about $60. So currently where it's trading at right now. And a lot of people do think that NIO stock is overvalued. I honestly don't think that. But we have definitely seen that NIO as a company is backed by a lot of big-time investors, and that's always a very good sign. The reason that is because, these big-time analysts are endorsing NIO stock. If they're giving it these high of price targets, there's a reason for this. It's not just out of due cause or just ill will. So taking a look at it from a bigger perspective, this is why NIO stock is actually trading higher today, up 6.13%, because it just got another analyst upgrade of $80. And like I said, that's a pretty good analyst upgrade. It's a pretty high analyst upgrade as well, but I do expect NIO stock to kind of be trading around $80 to $100 by the middle or end of the year. So it's not unlikely. And like I said, we do have NIO's deliveries coming up at the end of the month. And as expected, I do think that NIO stock is going to do very, very well on the deliveries. Just yesterday, they actually just launched a deal basically saying that they're going to be doing a 0% down payment deal where you can pick up a NIO car or a NIO vehicle on any of its 3 SUVs with no percent of down payment, which is just absolutely amazing. Generally in China, they do require a 15% down as a part of when it comes to actually buying a car. So the fact that NIO is doing this is going to definitely attract more sales. It's definitely going to shoot NIO's sales a lot higher, and it's definitely going to show that NIO is going to be trying to expand as fast as possible. With Tesla's expansion into China, this is exactly what NIO needs. And no matter what, even Tesla's expansion into China and all this kind of stuff, people are still super, super bullish on NIO. NIO is still doing very, very well. And people's bullish sentiment is not changing because they know that NIO is probably going to be growing for a very long time. I definitely agree with the analyst upgrade. I do think that NIO stock is a very good stock. I do think that the stock is worth the investment. And I do think that the actual analyst price target itself is very, very warranted. We have definitely seen the explosive year that NIO did have last year, up over 1,000%. So it's not unlikely for NIO to continue this trajectory of growth. Do I think that NIO stock is going to grow another 1,000%? No, I don't. But I do think that NIO stock is going to hit triple digits. And so do a lot of other analysts. All have NIO's price target rated pretty high. But really diving a little bit deeper, NIO is not only just trying to get itself out there more, but like I said, with its plans to expand, working on the self-autonomous driving technology, dropping more vehicles and a bigger, better battery, this is why exactly these analysts are coming out and upgrading the stock. I do think that this is very good news for NIO, and I do think this is why the stock is actually pushed higher. Currently trading at $61.91. It has not seen these all-time highs ever since NIO Day back on January 9th. So it's good to see that there's a lot of analysts out there that are still bullish on the stock, that are still endorsing NIO as a company and still do see the long-term growth. And that's all really investing is. Investing is all about the long-term growth. If you guys believe in a company and you believe that the company is going to be growing for a very long time, it's okay to see the ups and downs. As you guys take a look, over the 1 week, NIO traded pretty flat, still up 6.23%, but it's times like these where you have to really look at the bullish outlook of where NIO could be over the next couple of years with the advancements of technology, with NIO expanding, dropping out way better vehicles, and perfecting the self-driving chip. NIO has a lot of stuff going for it as a company, and the analysts see this as well. They do see the long-term growth of NIO, and they do see that the company is probably going to be growing for a very long time. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of NIO stock. Do you think NIO stock deserved the analyst upgrade of $80? If you guys own NIO stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.